Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Afroza Sultana. Welcome to our online class. Today I am going to take a class of English first paper of class 9. Our today's topic is based on Unit 7, lesson number 1. Now students, open your book in Unit 7, lesson number 1. At the beginning of the lesson, I would like to show you some pictures. Look at the pictures. There are some pictures of famous people. They became famous by their outstanding work. Look at picture number 1. Do you know him? I think all of you know him. He is a famous painter of our country. His name is Zainul Abidin. So, our today's lesson is Zainul Abidin, the great artist. The lesson is at page 91. So, open page 91. You know, Zainul Abidin is also referred as Shilpo Charya for his outstanding activities. After learning this lesson, we will be able to discuss about pictures, read and understand text through silent reading, ask and answer questions, and listen and answer question. Okay, first of all, I would like to show you some new words. I think these new words will enrich your vocabulary. Word number 1, pioneer. Pioneer means founder. Number 2, famine. Famine refers to a scarcity of food. Number 3, sinister. Sinister means evil or harmful thing. Number 4, skeletal. Skeletal means very thin or bony. 5. The word is plight. Plight means a serious or difficult condition. Number 6, depict. Depict means to illustrate something. Number 7, compassion. Compassion means sympathy. Number 8, outstanding. Outstanding means excellent. Number 9, iconic. Iconic means symbolic. Number 10, visionary. Visionary means imaginative. Number 11, tribute. Tribute means gratitude. Number 12, regime. The meaning of this word is a system of government. And number 3, devastating, which means destructive. Now, dear students, read the text. Read the text at page 91. This continue to 92. Page number 91 and 92 should be written by you. So, read this text about Zainul Abidin. After reading this text, you have to answer some questions. You have to read this text. Without reading this text, you cannot answer the questions properly. So take your time and read the text. Okay, now come to question number 1. These questions are given to your textbook. Number 1 is, write in detail how Zainul Abidin portrayed the sufferings of people. Come to the answer. Zainul Abidin portrayed the sufferings of people through his several paintings. For example, he documented the harsh famine of 1943 by sketching the skeletal figures of people destined to die of starvation in a man-made plight. Besides, by painting Monpura, he portrayed the death of many people in the cyclone of 1970. Question number 2. What influence did the river Brahmaputra have on Jainul Abidin? How did he show this influence in his works? Come to the answer. The river Brahmaputra played a predominant role in Jainul Abidin's painting and inspired him all through his career because much of his childhood was spent near the scenic river. He showed this influence in his works by watercolors as a tribute to this river. Now come to question number 3. What did these works earn him in his life? These works earned the Governor's Gold Medal in All India Exhibition in 1938. Look at the picture. India's president giving him the award. Come to picture number 4. How did his art help to intensify the non-cooperation movement against the Pakistani regime? The answer is, his 65-feet long scroll painting portrayed the rural East Pakistan in phases from abundance to poverty. Thus, it intensified the non-cooperation movement. Now, I would like to play an audio. Listen to the audio, and after listening that, you have to answer some question.
Class 9 and 10, Unit 7, Lesson 1, C. Jainul Abidin, the great artist. On Tuesday, Dan Muzina, the US ambassador to Bangladesh, visited Shilpacharya Jainul Abidin Sangrohoshala at Saheb Quarter Park area of Mymensingh town. There he spoke highly about the Bangladeshi master painter. The art gallery was established in 1975 to preserve the master painter's artworks in his hometown. There are 62 artworks on different aspects of life and nature by Shilpacharya at the gallery. The art gallery also includes 53 memorabilia. The Deputy Commissioner of Mymensingh, the Police Superintendent, and the Deputy Keeper of the Art Gallery were present during Mozina's one-hour visit. Commenting on the art gallery, Mozina said, "This museum is a global treasure. I am honored that my colleagues and I had this opportunity to experience the art of Jainul Abidin in his hometown. I am well acquainted with his work, especially the Famine series, as I visited several exhibitions of his works in Washington, D.C., where it was received with great acclaim." The US ambassador also said that Jainul Abidin was a true genius. His works are so simple, yet so complex and powerful at the same time.
Now students, come to the question. Okay, look at the questions. There are some questions. They are called multiple choice questions. You have to pick up the best answer from the alternatives. The first one is, the US ambassador to Bangladesh considers Jainul Abidin number A great painter, B popular painter, C master painter, and D unique painter. Question number 2, Jainul's art gallery was set up in A 1972, number B 1973, C 1974, and number D 1975. And question number 3, the number of Jainul's artwork preserved in the gallery is. Answer number A 53, B 62, C 65, and D 75. Question number 4, the US ambassador commented that the museum is a global. Answer number A wealth, B asset, C gift, and D is treasure. Now come to the last question, number 5. Mozina visited the gallery for Answer number A 3 hours, B 2 hours, C 1 hour, and D half hour. I think all of you can give the answer properly. Okay, now let's check the answer. Number 1, the answer is number C, master printer. And for question number 2, the number is D, 1975. For question number 3, the answer is B, 62. And question number 4, the answer is D, which is treasure. And question number 5, the answer is C, 1 hour. Now students, I have prepared some more questions for you. Let's try to answer these questions. Where is Joynul's art gallery situated? The answer is Joynul's art gallery is situated in Mymensingh. Question number 2. When did the ambassador visit the gallery? The ambassador visited the gallery on July 19, 2012. Question number 3. Who else were there with the ambassador during his visit? The answer is Deputy Commissioner of Mymensingh, Police Superintendent, and Deputy Keeper of the Art Gallery with the ambassador during his visit. Question number 4. Which artworks of Joynul did the ambassador especially mention? The ambassador especially mentioned the Famine series. Okay, now students, write down your homework. If you read the text properly, you can complete your homework easily. Today's homework is you have to write in brief about Joynul Abedin. So try to complete this work, and when school reopens, you will show you to your related teacher. Now that's all for today. We will meet your next class. So thank you.